How to fix Tinder glitches. If Tinder is glitching, crashing or not working properly, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I will show you why Tinder glitches and exactly how to fix it fast so you can get back to swiping. So let's get started. The first step is to restart the app and device. So let's start with the easiest fix. Restart the app and your device. This can clear minor bugs that might be causing Tinder to glitch. Close the Tinder app completely and restart the phone. To restart, keep on tapping on this home button just like this and tap on to restart. Then the next step is to check Tinder server status. Sometimes Tinder glitches because its servers are down. You can check if Tinder is having issue by visiting Down Detector. Go to Google and tap on search bar and type Down Detector Tinder just like this and search for it. And from the first link you can simply check the status of the Tinder. Next step is to clear the cache. For that, go to settings and scroll down and tap onto general right here, then tap onto iPhone storage and scroll down and find Tinder app. After locating it, open it and tap onto offload app. And by offloading the app, the cache of the app will be cleared and it might get more smooth and it won't keep glitching. And the final step is to reinstall the Tinder. If nothing else works, a fresh install can eliminate bugs and corrupted files. Delete the Tinder app, keep on tapping on the app and tap on to remove app right here, and you can simply remove it and reinstall it back. And that's it. Hopefully this helped you fix Tinder glitches. If it worked for you, hit that like button and drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.